Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the GRE exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including its three main sections: verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and analytical writing. Knowing the scoring range from 130 to 170 for the verbal and quantitative sections helps set clear targets. Next, create a study plan that fits your timeline, dedicating consistent time each week. Finally, collect official GRE guides and practice tests to ensure you are studying relevant content. To master the GRE content, dedicate time to each section. For verbal reasoning, focus on vocabulary building and understanding complex passages. For quantitative reasoning, review fundamental math concepts like algebra, geometry, and data analysis, practicing a wide variety of problem types. The analytical writing section requires you to articulate clear, well-supported arguments, so practice writing essays under timed conditions to improve your structure and clarity. Effective test-taking strategies are crucial for GRE success. Learn to manage your time wisely, allocating approximately 1 minute and 45 seconds per question in the verbal and quantitative sections. Take several full-length practice tests to simulate the actual exam environment, including breaks. After each practice test, thoroughly review your answers, especially incorrect ones, to understand your weaknesses and refine your approach. This helps build endurance and confidence. As exam day approaches, focus on reviewing key concepts and formulas rather than learning new material. Prioritize getting a good night's sleep, aiming for at least 8 hours, to ensure you are well-rested and alert. On the day of the exam, eat a balanced breakfast and arrive at the test center early with all required identification. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and approach each section with a clear mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.